Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look at the gold market. Here we have interesting tactical intraday bullish setup right now. So yesterday we talked about some pause in our production and we said, well, maybe market will turn to some retracement. Yesterday we talked about the Gartley's triple to sell pattern on the hourly chart and we said, well, it will be nice if we will get a kind of the ABC retracement, kind of a Gartley's triple to buy or something of that sort. But currently guys, it seems that we still will come to action that I call as a creeping with overbought. So actually you could see it right here. I will show you something of that sort of action. So when the market hits the overbought, next day session it shows minor retracement, shows upward action back to the overbought, next session again minor retracement, and so on. And market is creeping higher and higher with the minor pullbacks on intraday charts, with the hitting the overbought on the next session. The same story you could see here when the market showing downward action creeping with the oversold. This is very often happens on the commodity markets, and taking into consideration price behavior that we see here with the background and fundamental part, that actually means that and seems that we are coming to this sort of action. In fact, with the 4 recent sessions, market shows this kind of action: deep overbought, minor retracement, again overbought, minor retracement, overbought, minor retracement, and so on. Today, guys, the overbought level stands for the 1348. That is the overbought level. So it means that here market could easily pass for $10. Today we have the non-farm payrolls release, and actually that's what we will get here today. On the longer term perspective, we are watching for a COP target at 1381. This is the next destination point on the gold. As we talked about it previously, I said that here actually market has no significant barriers except maybe the overbought, because all levels have been broken here. Targets here intraday already have been hit, and we need to increase scale to understand and to identify the next target. And next target right now stands on the daily and stands 1381. So gradually the market will gravitate to this target. Why we think that market could continue to move higher? First of all, we have approximately the same suggestion on the Forex market today. So this is Great British Pound. Even on the Great British Pound we see some bullish signs. The same on the Euro. But take a look on the price action that we have in the gold. Yesterday we talked about the huge evening star pattern and we said after minor pullback, market has chances to show some kind of the ABCD pattern. But take a look what we have instead. Market shows just minor action and turning up. Here it's forming bullish reversal candle compared to this one. New lows and close above the top of the previous candle. This is bullish sign, and in fact the price action turns to the pennant. Pennant in current circumstances is bullish continuation pattern. What is more intriguing is that following the classical approach, the upward action should be equal to the mast of the pennant. So that is classical strategy. Of course it is completed not every time, but if we would suggest the possible potential of this action, maybe not today, of course, because market stands near the overbought. So as you can see, that is 1380, and it's coincide with the target on a daily chart, with the COP. It looks fantastic, but that's just what the classical technical analysis tells. We of course will not take a look at too far in the future today, because we know that the 1340 is an area of the overbought, so we're just waiting for a possible upward action. And finally, another bullish sign that we have, it stands on the hourly chart. Here, as you can see, we have hidden divergence. Only minor retracement has here as a result of this pattern. So here you could see clear bullish divergence with the MACD hidden divergence, and only minor target has been hit of the Gartley triple to some retracement with the action, just 30% support maybe or something of that sort. So of this action, here you can see also minor, very flat ABCD pattern. and market turns up, showing some thrusting acceleration. So currently, guys, it seems that chances on upside breakout looks better than for a downward continuation. Of course, non-farm payrolls could be different, but currently market shows the bullish sentiment in a way how it responds to overbought, how it responds to potentially bearish candlestick pattern. And you can see that the sentiment is not really bearish on the market. So, and I would say that in the current circumstances, when I see such kind of action, I do not want to take any short position here on the gold market right now. Also, with the cross-market analysis on the euro currency, on the Great British pound, it's also forming some short-term bullish patterns. So that's what we see right now on the gold.